Okay, so this is a problem that was asked over email. It's problem 7.5.27, and it asks you to find an equation on the line containing the points -1, -9, and -8, -5. Okay, so this is actually a two-step problem. What you're going to have to do for this problem is, first of all, find your slope. Find the slope between these 2 points. And then once you have that slope, you can use the point-slope equation to get the equation of the line. So what I'm going to do is label this point right here, x1, y1, and this point right here, x2, y2. Okay? And then my slope equation is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I can plug these pieces in. So in for y2 is going to go a -5. In for y1 is going to go a -9. And I need to make sure that I'm subtracting the negative there. So this is -5 minus, this minus sign is that minus sign right there. And then the 9 is negative, so I'm actually subtracting a negative. In the bottom, what's going to go in for x2 is -8. So I got -8 and then minus -1. Okay, so in the top, that looks like a -5 plus 9 over -8 plus 1. All right, so that becomes in the top a 4 and in the bottom a -7. So 9 minus 5 gives me 4, and -8 plus 1 gives me -7. So my slope is a -4/7. Okay? Now I can use that slope, and I can actually use either of these points, doesn't matter which one, to plug these into the point-slope equation to get the equation of the line. And the point-slope equation is this: y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay? So I have the slope, that's right here, and I have the x1, y1 ordered pair point right here. Okay, so I'll plug those pieces in and then just try and put it in slope-intercept form. So it's going to look like y minus y1 is -9, equaling my slope, which is -4/7, times x minus x1 is -1. So again, subtracting a negative there. Okay, so this becomes y plus 9, and on this side, -4/7 times x plus 1. Now they asked us to leave this, I believe, and they want you to leave it in slope-intercept form, which is the y equals mx plus b form. So what we need to do is we actually need to put this equation in that form. So we need to continue to solve. So it's going to look like us distributing the -4/7. So we're going to have y plus 9 equals -4/7 x, and then minus 4/7. Okay, and then I want to subtract the 9 and bring it to the other side. So subtract 9. It's going to look like y equals -4/7 x minus the 4/7 minus 9. Now, I need to get a common denominator between these two right here, because those are like terms. So the common denominator is 7, so I'm actually going to multiply the 9 by a 7/7. That's the equivalent of 1. So it's okay for me to do that. This is -4/7 x minus 4/7, and then minus 63/7. Now that I have a common denominator, I can bring the numerators together. So this is going to be y equals -4/7 x, and then minus 67/7. And that would be the equation of your line.